Mold inspection and testing. Boca Raton is not just a service, it's a necessity for maintaining a healthy living environment. When you're faced with the uncertainty of mold presence, it's crucial to seek professional help. In Boca Raton, you have access to top-notch services that include 24/7 emergency water damage cleanup and affordable mold removal. These experts employ fast mold removal techniques to ensure your space is free of hazardous spores. But what can you do before help arrives? First, identify and eliminate sources of moisture. Next, increase ventilation to affected areas and, if possible, isolate and contain the mold growth. Best mold remediation specialists in Boca Raton provide comprehensive solutions, including mold mitigation and same-day water damage repair. These services are designed to tackle mold at its core, preventing future growth and ensuring your property's integrity. For those in Boca Raton seeking peace of mind and a mold-free environment, it's time to act. Don't let mold compromise your health or property. For a thorough mold inspection and testing in Boca Raton, and to get a quote for mold remediation and water damage repairs, call us now at 561-612-4666. Take the first step towards a cleaner, safer home today.